Hi, and welcome to today's mini math lesson. Today we're going to be talking about finding the area of a surface. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard of the word area before. Maybe someone said to you, well, what area do you live in? Or they've asked you, what's the area code for your phone number? Now, these are definitions for the word area, but that's not the area that we're going to be talking about today. Today we're talking about the mathematical definition for area, which is the size of a surface or the measurement of the space within any two-dimensional object, within the boundaries of that two-dimensional object. So imagine a square or a rectangle, a circle, a triangle, the space within the boundaries of that shape. That's the area, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Today we're talking specifically about finding the area of a rectangle. For finding the area of a rectangle, you need to take the length and the width and multiply them. Or you could also call it the width and the height and multiply them. So let's imagine that you have a new rug in your house. Your mom's brand new, white, gleaming, clean rug. Here it is. And it's 3 feet by 5 feet. So your mom just bought this rug and she says to you, don't eat or drink anything on my brand new rug. But one day after school, you forgot that she mentioned that. So you take your great big giant glass of grape juice, purple grape juice, and you sit right in the middle of your mom's brand new white rug. But there was an accident and you spilled your grape juice all over your mom's brand new rug. But the good thing is your mom's not home yet, so you have time to clean it up. And you think to yourself, what am I going to do? How am I going to clean up this mess? You know what? Knowing the area will help you to clean up your mess. Because when we run down to the store, we find a bottle of Super Suds. Super Suds can clean up any mess and leave it brand spanking new, the way that your mother intends for it to be. But the bottle of Super Suds only cleans 10 square feet. Square feet? What's that? That is a measurement of area, because when we multiply the length times the width, feet times feet gives us square feet. So let's say again your mother's rug is 3 feet by 5 feet. We're multiplying 3 times 5, which gives us 15, and feet times feet gives us square feet. So that's 15 square feet. Uh-oh. Super Suds only cleans 10 square feet. So you're going to need to buy 2 bottles of Super Suds, and you'll have a little bit left over just in case it happens again. But it won't, right? So that's why knowing area is really important, just in case accidents happen. Area can also be helpful when you want to paint your room. Let's suppose your room is a boring drab gray, and you really want to jazz it up with some, I don't know, neon green. You'll need to know how much paint to buy. Let's say you run down to that store again, and the bottle or the can of paint says that it'll cover 5 square feet. It's a really small can. And your wall is 6 feet by 6 feet. How many square feet will you need to cover? 6 times 6 gives you 36 square feet. With 36 square feet, now you know how much space you need to cover with that paint. That's why area is so important. It helps you with decorating your house and cleaning up messes. and also finding the boundary, the space within the boundary of any shape, like your backyard, or maybe a piece of paper that you're working on for an art project and you need to cover it, or maybe it's your bed and you need to know how much fabric to buy to make a new sheet for your bed. Area can be very helpful. So remember, area is the size of a surface or the space within a two-dimensional object, like a square, rectangle, circle, or triangle, and you find it for a rectangle, that's what we talked about today, by multiplying length times width. I hope you enjoyed your mini math lesson.